Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your OS supports advanced lock screen features and that updates are installed. This avoids compatibility surprises. Next, pick a high-resolution wallpaper and any accent palette you want to use because quality matters on first impression. If you plan animated backgrounds or widgets, install the trusted tool now and grant permissions. Once done, open Settings Personalization to begin applying assets. Make sure System Restore or a backup point exists before deeper changes, so you can roll back if needed. Now you design the look. Choose Picture, Slideshow, or an app-driven screen depending on mood and resource use. You should position elements so the time and notifications remain legible. Adjust blur and contrast to preserve readability while keeping the aesthetic. Configure which quick status apps appear and how many notifications are allowed. This balances utility and privacy. If using third-party tools, sync their settings with system power plans to avoid battery drain. Once configured, preview the lock screen and iterate until it feels right. Finish by applying accent colors, optional custom fonts, and a subtle overlay to unify everything so your lock screen looks polished and cohesive. You must test common flows, wake from sleep, timed lock, and multi-monitor behavior to ensure graphics and widgets appear where you expect. If the lock screen fails to update or shows default images, make sure services like the personalization service are running. If problems persist, reset personalization settings or boot into safe mode to isolate conflicts, then reapply changes carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.